Good evening, everyone. My name is Daniel Cortez. Today, for my final project, I'll be speaking about Grammarly.com. I hope you guys were able to learn a lot from this new site slash app, which is also able for download on mobile. Grammarly.com just recently started back in 2008. It was launched in 2009, which helps people with proofreading, plagiarism detection, vocabulary, grammar rules, and so much so forth. The program itself, it's not free. Unfortunately, there is a payment that you must make. It varies depending on whichever way you want to pay for it. You can pay it for a whole year, within months, within a quarterly, and then the price will vary. So when you start with Grammarly, this is how it looks like. Very simple, very easy. As you can see here, you can log out, log in. It has its own password so you can create your own account. For the apps, you can download it for Chrome. As you can see, it says right here it's active, which is on the top of the right corner. As you can see, Grammarly, and if I right click it, it tells you my suggestions. Basically, what Grammarly does is when you're posting something on Facebook, on any social media, writing an email, perhaps doing homework that is due online, Grammarly is there to help you no matter what. So it helps you with spelling, helps you with advanced correction, all those type of fun things. You can also download it for Microsoft Office and for Windows as well. So once you purchase Grammarly, you're able to download the app for these three different things. Now, you may be wondering, does it work for Firefox? Does it work for Internet Explorer? The answer is yes. But since I use Chrome a lot, this is where it's installed. So, as we continue, my subscription is $11 a month since October, since I started. I just recently started using this 2 months ago. So it's new to me. I'm still was learning how to use this app slash website, figuring out new things, ways that we can improve on certain things and ways that we can explore. So it's been really wonderful lately. My profile, I love it because let's say since there's a new word or a word that our generation is creating and Grammarly doesn't have it, you can add it. You can add a new word. So for instance, lit. I know that's not a word, but we'll put it there. So it will tell you it says I must contain English letters only. So I need to figure out what words wouldn't that be flagged. I can also pick what type of language I want, so British English, Canadian English, Australian English, American English, and then it helps you with the spelling, the grammar, the punctuation, and then of course my account. Now, let's go with my profile, well, my Grammarly. So this is all my work I have done. So basically, all you have to do is upload a file, and so let's go with one of my comms classes for an example. This is my whole entire paper. Now as you see right here, it's telling me it was checking, score is 100, but just give it a moment and it will tell you all the mistakes that I have. Luckily, I have not turned this paper in, so I'm able to fix everything. So it's telling me that I overused one successful. So let's do thriving. Mary Fisher said thriving, strong. Ooh, strong. What about healthy and encouraging woman dealing with HIV/AIDS? And then you can go down, tells you what's incorrect, what's not incorrect, what certain things you should take out, you should add. So it tells you things like unusual word pairing, wordy model phrase. So this site helps you with everything. Now, if you go to the left side, you can send this paper to a proofreader who can check it this instant because this site is running 24 hours, 24/7. It tells you the vocabulary. Once again, if you want to look for plagiarism, just clicking it on. It's been able, and it's gonna just saying right here in the bottom, this checking, and it's gonna tell you how much you have plagiarized. Checking in so many sources. 20% is on original work. So here's an example right here, which is on quotation marks, and luckily me, that is on quotation marks, so someone said that, so we all know that's an original work. And it tells you the website, it tells you everything. Love how this tells me how unoriginal my work is. Love it, love it, love it. And you will love it as well. For the document type, once again, it tells you your sentence structure, style, punctuation, grammar, contextual spelling. And let's say that this was something that has to do with business. You can do general business, business letter, business email, report, memo, technical. We have medical, creative, casual, and academics. Who doesn't want academics? So, when I started this program, I decided to start with a checklist if it works for my scenario. So the software works for any hardware such as laptop, desktop, tablets, and mobiles. The answer is yes. You're able to interact with others within the business. How about outside the business? You're able to send files, but there's no chat box, which is unfortunately. Are associates able to set up profiles on private? The answer is yes. It's very prideful. Expectation to protect any files? Yes, there's 100% of privacy. Ages? Anyone is able to maintain it. It's very easy. Are you able to continue the product within the tool? The answer is yes. You can save it. It saves automatically, and then you can come back to it, and so forth. Does it cost? The answer is yes. But if you want to do it more advanced that focus just on business, educational, there's a separate cost for it. I have looked that up already. So that's like an additional $10. Does it feature a password for security purposes? The answer is yes. So if I was able to use this in a scenario of a business, Grammarly will work perfectly well. So ladies and gentlemen, this was Grammarly. I highly suggest everyone to use this website / app because it will help you guys in the future endeavors and helps others who need help with their papers, especially if they're not so good with English. So I thank you all for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, you can always email me at dcortez300@yahoo.com. Thank you all.